see, we gotta go to that building right there. Look how this place is. There in Falcon. You gotta turn. I've been here one time. You're going that second drive up there. Circle around. Look at that place, look at that place. Yeah. Hopefully you don't get a flat tire. Yeah, look at all the wood everywhere. I can't remember what student I brought here. I think it was one man. We came out here. It's not the best of all places. We got two trailers right there. One looks like it's been smashed in. You watch that 4x4 right there on the ground. It's not been smashed into. It looked like it. And you pull out this gate here and get lined up to go in that dock right there. Huh? Open the doors first? Well, let's get lined up first. Probably be easier. You know what I mean? There's just shit everywhere around here. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Trash everywhere. But they got a rodent problem here. What do you think? Yeah, it's pretty safe, yeah. Tires, trash. Alright, well, I'll hop out. I'm in the bathroom here. Look at that. Well, this place is nasty. And go back out here. Turn the light off. Got an old ass stove here. There's some coal stuff. What's the rest of it? Walk out here.